Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. In today's video, I'm going to reuse old perfume bottles and give them a new look to it. So these perfume bottles have got nice color and shape to it. So I thought like I'll, use it for maybe like oil diffuser, or maybe like I'm going to put some soap also for diffusing, and one of them I'm going to use like a flower vase or something. Let me see what I come up with. So the stuff that I have, everything are from Dollar Tree. Only these food colors that I got from Kroger, and these oils that I'm going to use for oil diffuser, they are from Dollar Tree. One is rose and apricot, if you can see, and the other one is like a sweet pea. So I'm going to use these two oils as a diffuser, and these are like a reed diffusers. They're available anywhere in the market, supermarkets, or if you don't find them, you can use one of the Dollar Tree ones. So they have the oil and also the reeds, so you can use that for the diffuser. And the stuff that I also need for decoration is like one of the paper flowers, that leftover paper flowers. If you remember from my past projects, I showed how to do the rolled roses. From the remnants of it, rolled roses, I just made like a small papers. I made this tiny roses, so I thought like I can use that as well for this butterfly to go with that theme. And I also got like nice gems from Dollar Tree as well. And this soap is also from Dollar Tree. This is a lavender soap. What I did was, in order to save some time, I just grated the soap using the cheese grater, and I got this. So I'm going to fill this using one of the small funnels that I have around the house. So I'm going to fill like this, and I'm going to do the decoration for these perfume bottles. So let's get into the video. I'm just going to cover the letters with some gems like this. And I just decorated this perfume bottle with flowers, like roses drooping like that. And I had like gems in the center of the butterfly to glow it up a little bit. And the letters, I covered the letters. If you see, there are letters there. I covered the letters with the gemstones, and I also covered the mouth of the perfume bottle with some more gemstones on it. So I think I like this way, and I'm not going to overdo it. So with this, I'm going to add our soap scrape. So I want to do like a lavender color into the pink. So I thought like those two colors look together nice. And this soap smells so nice. scrape. I'm going to put the reed diffusers like that. After I insert this, and I'm going to turn it back like we always do with the regular reed oil diffusers, so the fragrance will be keep circulating. So this is how I'm going to decorate, like a perfume bottle into diffusers, perfume bottle into like soap diffuser. And I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to pour oils. So I'm going to mix both the oils. Oh, I love the smell. It's divine. I'm going to add a little bit of red color, red food color. So I'm going to put like this, 5 of them. Maybe 4. I'll see how many it goes into it. Oh, it smells divine. And I like how it turned out. I didn't over decorate this bottle, so because I wanted to keep it simple. And these are the 2 perfume and oil diffusers, soap and oil diffusers. And this one, I wanted to keep it as a flower vase. So there was a letters in the center. I covered it with one of my earring jewel. And I'm going to decorate that, the whole of the earring, with the pearl. And these are all the things that I have in my craft room to give a look like that. And I'm also going to put some of the on the borders like this. I'm going to put few of the pearls like that. Just to give that elegant look. I'm making sure the whole of the pearl not showing up, basically showing down. So it looks nice. So I'm going to clean the strings and come back. So there you have it for this flower vase. So I removed the pearls on the side. It was overpowering it, so I left the center pearl alone. And I also had some water with blue food color in it, light blue. It turned like I diluted it more, so it looks like a light blue. And I also put like one of the carnation flowers. I cut it from the stem, and this is also from Dollar Tree. So I just decorated like this, and I'm going to put that I'm going to decorate it just like so. So I think I like the way it turned out. So I'm very happy the way all of my perfume bottles turned out. So I'm hoping that you also are liking it, and if you like my videos, please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the notifications on videos like this. And I'll see you next time, and thank you for watching.